to work with you and to do more than you. That's what it is. The third thing that I found that personally has been challenging. One of the reasons why my startup failed was I didn't know how to sell. I had no clue what to sell. I knew how to do good technology. I knew how to create good usability. I had no clue what to sell. And even today, I don't think I'm very good at selling. Even though one of the reasons the last few years actually have opened up very large accounts for Regalix, including some of the largest IT companies are now clients of Regalix across the world. The horse that is pulling the business. Sales. So if you are not good at sales, make sure one of your team members is the sales head. चाहे उसको ज़्यादा पैसे देने पड़ेगा. I remember there was one example I know from a good entrepreneur in Chandigarh. उससे मैंने एक बारी बात की. I have had a salesperson in Europe. I said, what are you paying? He named a figure which was equivalent of the total cost of operations of his business for 1 year. I look at him and said, his argument was that if I pay him this much, he will generate 10 times this amount, and my company will grow to 10 times. So in his mind, it was a bargain. Lots of people confuse sales and marketing. You want to take a hit at marketing. What is marketing?
Marketing is a broader concept. Rather.
4 P's.
Building the brand. Marketing is a broader concept than sales. Basically, marketing is brand building, advertising.
Right. Sales is the engine that drives. I'm very sure that you are not growing marketing for a startup, even though we are a marketing agency. Startup, my advice is do sales. Anything that will generate revenue, give you cash flow, that will give you the confidence. Okay. We've had great companies come out of Chandigarh which made that mistake. At one point in time, there was a Chandigarh company which accounted for 85% of the country's traffic, internet traffic. 85% of the traffic went to this company's servers in the US. Pure Hindustan. It's still wrong.
Which one?
It's still wrong, but they were all present everywhere in the country. You went to any trade show, they would have a huge booth. They would have 10 pretty young things sitting there, trying to entice you to get them to do business with you. Everybody came in and went their business model. Okay. So, don't confuse marketing with sales. Sales is very hard, number driven, get the revenue in. Marketing is nice, fluffy, spend the money. Culture I've already mentioned. I don't know if you. Culture is the hardest one to manage internally. In fact, when we started Grassley, one of the first things we did was hire an HR person to look after it. Because if you get the wrong culture going, you can't change it back easily. There's a lot of energy. And one of the reasons why companies have failed is because their culture was not aligned to what their business was. If you can't figure out what motivates people or what motivates your people, you're not going to have those people around very soon. So either you are a people person, it's hard to be, I want you to be the accountant, I want you to be the sales guy, I want you to be the people guy. एक बंदे में नहीं होता सब कुछ. You get help. So जितनी जल्दी हो सके, get help, and this person can be a part-time HR person. You don't need a full-time person, get a part-time person. Same thing goes for accounts. If you can't get a full-time person to help you, you don't need a full-time person, get a part-time person.
Colleges where we tell students what are career options they can take up as well as psychology, psychometric.
Okay.
Me.
Yeah.
Sure. I'm on board of the company GVS Biotech. It's an agribusiness company looking into new products and innovations. We hold the patents for extraction technologies.
Okay, so it's agribusiness.
It's agribusiness biotech company, biotechnology.
It's a pre-revenue plan. It's in planning stage. As I've done media and journalism from MassCom from Punjab University, so to promote news reading habits among children, I'm designing a product called Informix. It's the culmination of news and comics so that children could read up the hard news in the form of colorful format and illustrations. I'm not into business. Yes.
How much are you doing?
Yeah, I know what you do.
I'm basically into trading and fabrication activities of very traditional business of capital goods industry.
I started a couple of businesses last 2.5 years.
Very.
Started from event management, and the second one was catering. Now the other is looking after that. After that, we started a IT services company. After that, we had few websites of our own. Some of them are getting 10,000 new visitors per day. And right now, I'm planning to start a startup incubator and accelerator in this part of the for fostering innovation.
I'm into software exports.
I'm into financial services related. I'm with mostly enterprise, and we also have hardware products.
Okay, financial
And-
advisory.
Yeah. We have different. In Punjab, we have our own shops. Sanitary hardware that have boring tubers.
Okay.
That.
So what kind of issues, challenges you face, or if you have any questions or
Probably team building. Team building is the biggest challenge I've faced over last 1.5 years. Because people join me, work for some time, because I also have freshers. So I have freshers, I train them, after 2 months, 3 months, they're ready to go, leave the organization. Because in our work, you need to travel a lot. I am on road for 7 to 8 months when I'm conducting my presentation, because we conduct presentations in Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Chandigarh. So that is major challenge for hiring new people. That's what I face.
So, have you looked at people who are, by nature adventurous?
I hired a guy for this also, but again, the same thing I faced. Probably I'm learning more with the passage of time how to find more adventurous people in the team.
So, for example, there's an interesting story, anecdotal. So, how many of you been to Sangla?
I conducted a presentation with Sangla.
So, Banjara camps, were little लोग हैं.
Excellent.
Those two guys are actually from Punjab University. So both of them are Punjab University grads.
Okay.
दोनों दोस्त थे. They were fond of adventure tourism, and they met up somewhere in Delhi again. And they said, they went first themselves. Figured out it's a great idea. So one of them stays in the camp while the season is on. The other one is in the Delhi camp. And now they have this entire sort of over the years they built up this. So maybe what you should think about is, since आपका काम traveling का है, ये पहले ऐसे लोग हैं जो travel करते हैं. For example, I am the opposite. Right? I hate traveling. I have to, that's the reason why I gave up the consulting business. If I could, if I enjoyed traveling, I would have stayed in that. It's really profitable. It was at the right time. Look for what are the character traits that you think will make people last and enjoy what they do. And maybe what you need to do is team up. Right? So what ICICI used to do way back when it was not a bank, right? They were very good at training people. So पहले तो ये कहते थे कि they would hire fresh MBAs, best MBAs in the country, and then they would make these teams of one guy, one girl, and they used to do a lot of project finance, right? तो वो उन दोनों की टीम को भेजते थे, right? Or the guy would travel and the girl would be at the back office, would work as a team, do the assessment, project assessment. And they figured out that this combination works very well for them. Right? One person at the back end, the other guy going. And they, over a period of time, obviously they built up the expertise on how to make sure that the team works very well. But if that is a critical part of success, you need to solve it. Right? But try 2-3 experiments, I would say. Yeah. If you can't get the adventure guys, okay, what else can you get? Can you get like local support?
Yes, I was planning to get the local support this year.
Right. The other thing you can look at is actually one of the most, I would say, underpaid and unutilized segment is women who are married or with family responsibility. So if you cannot, if you want, instead of getting full-time employees, can you get facilitators in that part or nearby whom you can sign on? And you'll be amazed at the quality of talent you can get. मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी to find those right people, right? But they might be willing to work part-time or work, a few hours a month or a week to solve your problem.
Any other questions, please?
Yes, I have one question about you.
Confidence that this is the right idea. How can I know that what market I can actually capture? This is a very basic question, basically, like for anything and who you want to come in the market. So, what like some key parameters you can say, okay, these are the things you should do before your whole life, something like that. Can you give me some
Additional to the question you asked. If you have more than one idea, then is it better to focus our energies on in the beginning, on one, or spread it onto the top?
If you have the resources to spread it around, let me ask the second answer to the part. If you have the resources to spread around and try 4 in parallel, I would say do all 4. Okay. If you have the resources. Mukesh Ambani to $100 billion की bets लेता है, right? Bets ही है ना. I mean, he bought this stake in Greenbergs. Anil Ambani bought that, right? He bought or he bought something else. These are all bets. He's trying out new things. May work out, may not work out. At our scale, there are X number, X amount of resources. If the resource is your time, right? Then I think you can only try one at a time. So that if you have the resources to get smart people to explore ideas on your behalf, right, then you should look at multiple ideas. To answer your question, how do you size a particular market? Right? How do you size a particular market? So you have, I assume you're talking about IT services. IT services के अंदर there are benchmarks available. All rates are online. One simple benchmark is look at all the online portals and see what is the average rate for that service. What is the average demand for that service? जिसकी average demand ज़्यादा होगी उसका average rate कम होगा, और जिसकी average demand कम हुई उसका rate ज़्यादा होगा. Which means that if you are able to build, if you find enough of these profitable niches, that you can build. The challenge is that would you be able to find the capacity to service that? For example, let's say Ruby on Rails. Right? Ruby on Rails का talent आपको मिलना ही है आराम से. Python का talent मिलना ही है. मेरे को एक client ने approach किया था कि जी आप हमारी website करते हो. We were doing some marketing campaign. Our website is done in Python and we are paying $150 an hour. Can you give us a cheaper operator? And I am like so lucrative contract. We talk to our team said चलो ढूंढते हैं बंदा ढूंढते हैं तो कंसल्टेंट को बोलिए HR को बोलिए so you give up that option very profitable but I know that I'm going to be dependent on that one guy I hire and one client I have. It's not going to go beyond that easily. So as an IT service company, what is the scale of your operation? 30-40 people? 50 people. So at this scale you can afford to take one person kind of projects. The moment you start with 40-50 people or 100 people, तो आप ऐसे चाहिए कि आप 4-5 लोगों की टीम सस्टेन कर सकते. शुरू में तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि जो हमारे को मिल जाए काम very opportunistic. But once you start getting to a certain scale, you need to be able to cluster your groups of people. Otherwise, once that one person goes, right, your entire capability will go. So in software services, depending on the scale you make those calls. Because delivery is a big deal. If you do good delivery, तो आपको कोई problem नहीं है. And the reality that we've been lucky that wherever we've done delivery, client ने expand ही किया हमारा उसमें. Client has kind of caused us to grow.
Sir, one question. Sir, any kind of IT exports your company is doing? IT exports. It's all marketing or any kind of one?
All of the marketing we do is technology enablement. Okay, which means that we don't do traditional marketing at all. In search engine optimization अगर हम करते हैं, उसके पीछे बहुत सारे टूल्स हैं, बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजी है, कुछ हमने खुद लिखी हुई है, कुछ हमने एक्वायर करी हुई है. हम कम्युनिटीज बनाते हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे आउटरीच करते हैं, सोशल मीडिया में एप्लीकेशन बनाते हैं, which is again by technology. So the line is very fuzzy, whether it's technology or marketing. Really, the reason why we call ourselves a marketing company is because we sell to the marketing part of the organization. Lots of times we're selling IT services. Okay. So it's a positioning we took. We would be selling IT services to the IT part of the company, which is probably a more stable business. Because the IT vendor is the last guy who's thrown out. The marketing vendor is the first guy who's thrown out in a marketing downturn. Whenever there's an economic downturn, the marketing का budget सबसे पहले कम होता है. और IT का budget सबसे end में कम होता है, because IT is part of your plumbing. IT का budget नहीं कट कर सकते, आपके ऑपरेशन बंद